Good morning, everybody. Boys and girls, how are you? I hope you are well. So, in these pandemic situations, we have to running on our online classes. So, in the previous day, in this procedure, we have to complete exercise 1D. Today, I discuss about Roman numerals and I complete exercise 1E. Okay, now Roman numerals. One Roman numerals, there is different symbols. 5 V, 10, L means 50, C means 100, D means 500, M means 1000. Okay, rules of forming the number. When a symbol is used more than once, we add its value each time to get them. That is x means 10. So 10 plus 10, 20. Used more than one time. That is C, that is 100 plus 100 plus 100, 300. More than one. 1000 plus 1000, 2000. Okay. Number 2, when a symbol of smaller value is written in the right of a symbol of bigger value, we add the two values. That is exercise 7. That is 5. So 5, when the symbol of smaller value is written, that is 1 smaller than 5. So 1. That is we add these two 1 with 5. 5 plus 1 plus 1, 7. 10 x v means 10. V means 5. So 5 smaller value. So 10 plus 5, 15. In this symbol. L means 50. 5 v 5 2. That is 50 plus 5 plus 2 1. That is 57. 50 plus 5 plus 2, etc. etc. 3 number, when a symbol of smaller value is written to the left of the bigger value, the smaller value is subtracted from the bigger value. That is 1x. When a symbol of smaller value is written to the left of the greater value, the smaller value is subtracted from the bigger value. That is 1x. X means 10. 10 before 10 there is 1. That is 10 minus 1, 9. CD. C means 100 and D means 500. So 500 minus 100, 400. Okay. And now I start exercise 1E. Roman numerals 1, 5, X, L, C, D, M. Hindu-Arabic numerals 1, 1. V means 5, X means 10, L means 50, 6 symbol 100, D 500, M 1000. Okay. Rules of forming the numbers. Once a symbol is used more than once, we add this value each time to get the number. That is XX means 10 plus 10, 20. 100 plus 100, CC. That is 100 plus 100 equal to 200. MM, that is 1000 plus 1000, 2000. Number 2, when a symbol of smaller value is written to the right of a symbol of bigger value, we add the two values. That is 5, 1, 1. That is 5 plus 1, 1. Smaller value is right to the greater value. 5 plus 1, 7. XB, that is 10 plus 5, 15. LV2, that is L means 50, V means 5, 2. That is 57. LXV1. L means 50, X means 10, V means 5 plus 1, 66. When a symbol of smaller value is written to the left of a symbol of bigger value, the smaller value is subtracted from the bigger value. That is 1x. X 1 tens. The bigger value is, the smaller value is left to the bigger value. That is 10 minus 1, 9. CD. C means 100. D means 500. That is 500 minus 100, 400. Okay. That is 1I. 1E. Exercise. Give the corresponding Roman numerals for each of the following. 7. 5, 1, 1, 7. 18. X, V, 3. 35. X, 5. 22. X, 2. 17. X, V, 2. 54. L, 5. That is L means 50 or 4. 54. 48. X, L, 8. 1, 1, 0. That is C 110. 100 C money 110. 522. D means 500. XX 22. So 475. 400 means C means 500. D means 500. C, that is 400. 50. 450. 60, 75. Okay. 2. Write the following Roman numerals in the Hindu Arabic numerals. 4. X 16. 1 x, that is x minus 9. 10 minus 1, 9. X 12, 12. X means 10, 9, 19. L 2, 52. X 10 plus 10 plus 10, 30. C x 100 plus 10, 110. 110. XL 50 minus 10, 40. CDV, that is C means 100, D means 500, 500 minus 100, 400, 5. CC 10 2, CC means 200, 210, 2, 212. Okay. XL 5, L means 50 minus 10, 40, 44. Okay. Which of the following new Roman numerals are meaningless? That is, here are some Roman numerals. 3. That is M, XX, 6, DM, CCI, ICC, L, CX, 5, CICM, MCD, IXI. That is meaningless DM. D means 100, M means 1000. It is not absolutely wrong. ICC, absolutely wrong. LCXVI, CICM, wrong. 1x1, wrong. Why this is wrong? That is, in your book there are some rules. That is, you follow these rules. Remember, the same symbol is not repeated more than 3 times together. So 3 times 1 CC, it is not possible. Achha. Remember, V, L and D are never subtracted. 1 can be subtracted from V and X only once. X can be subtracted from L and C only once. C can be subtracted from D and M only once. Thus, 1 or V is never written to the left of L or C. L is never written to the left of C. These rules you must remember. Okay, and complete the following. Question number 4. Complete the following. CX4, that is blank 10, that is 100 at a blank 110, that is C 100 x 10 4, তাহলে 114. CXX1, C means 100 x 20 or 1, that is 121. DCXX, D means 500, C means 100, XX 20, that is 620. MCC, M means 1000 plus 100 plus 100, তাহলে 12,000, 1,200. Okay, 1200, 1,200, 1,1,1,0,2,2. ঠিক আছে, 1,2,0,0. Worksheet do question number 1 K2O, question number 2 M2Y, and page number 27 and 28 at home. I will repeat it again. 1E. Give the corresponding Roman numerals for each of the following. 7, 7, 18, 35, 22, 17, 54, 48, 110, 522, 475. Okay. Write the following Roman numerals in the Hindu Arabic numerals. 4, 4, 16, 9, 12, 19, 52, 30, 110, 40. CD, C means 100, D means 500, 400, 5. CC 200, 10, 12, 212. XL means 44. Okay. Which of the following Roman numerals are meaningless? These: GM, B, C, ICC, LC, X, VI, CICM, IXI. Complete the following. CX14, 100 plus 10 plus 4, 140. CXX1, 100 plus 20 plus 1, 121. DCXX, 500 plus 100 plus 20, 620. MCC, 1000 plus 100 plus 100, 12,000. 1200, 1 10, 100,000, 1,200. Worksheet do question number 1 K2O, question number 2 M2Y, and page number 27 and 28 at home. I will show you these pages once or two a second. So Today I complete chapter 1, that is numeration, and today I discuss Roman numerals to how do we change Roman numerals to Arabic numerals to Roman numerals, and some rules. You must learn this, practice these sums at home, and which I give you homework. You also do your homework copy, and next day I start chapter 2, and today I finish chapter 1. Okay, thank you.